Okay, so my name's Thomas Park, and I just want to talk a little bit about my new free web application, Mixplant. Mixplant is it's a free web application. You can find it at World Wide Web, thomasparksolutions4.com, thomasparksolutions4.com. And it's an application that was kind of based on a piece of code that was sent to me by a friend, Jack Hertz, who lives out in California. And this little HTML code was a brilliant idea or had an idea behind it of assembling these different embedded audio players on one page and making sort of a little mixing page simply by using the embedded audio function that's part of HTML code. So here is Mixplant, which is the web page I designed. I used Bootstrap, which is a free open source design source for CSS, for style coding, CSS coding. The image is by me, and as you can see, if you go to Mixplant, it's very simple. The first thing you do is just enter your name, and really it's also the last at this point. So I'm going to enter my name, and I'm going to press Submit Query. And now I have the live mixing console for Thomas. As you can see, it's got my name here. Right away you can see there's a video loop which will continue to play and loop just to add a little atmosphere. And here we have these sounds. Now the sounds, I'm going to mute it first, and that's just so when we bring them in, they're not immediately loud. But the sounds were basically created by me. There were original sounds that Thomas Park, recorded over the years and assembled for this project. And what this mix page has done is it's randomly combined a number of these sounds so that you can mix them together. And now you can just have some fun with Mixplant, which was really the point all along, and you can enjoy the sounds. So let's bring some of them in. So the sounds are very industrial in nature at this point in Mixplant. I might work some other sounds in later, but that was done intentionally so that they were easy to combine and to add this sort of kind of reminiscent of my own music as my various acts. So a little maybe self-indulgent on my part, but it's also kind of fun to work with, I think. And as you can see, you can bring the sounds in. If you use Firefox, the current version, or Edge, that'll allow you to fade the sounds in. If you use Chrome, they're automatically at full volume. And you can do things like fade them in, fade them out. You can stop them or start them. You can combine different sounds on the page, as many or as few as you like. And you can just have fun and jam with the song. And additionally, if you have a audio recording software built into your computer, a total recorder, then you can record what you're doing. And because all these sounds are public domain, I've given them to the public domain, and the software is too, then you can use the mix for your own uses. You can have a recorded song to keep and issue yourself, release yourself, or you can use the mixing console in a live setting. Maybe it's a performance for a small group of people, or for a large if you have a PA system, or even for a radio broadcast, internet or otherwise. So basically, there we have Mixplant. That is what the app does. Every time you load this console in, it's going to be a different set of sounds, and so it's more fun to work with and play with. I hope you will try it out. It's at www.thomasparksolutions4.com. www.thomasparksolutions4.com. It's totally free. Thank you for your time.